Welcome, marketers and content creators, to an in-depth review of Creatify AI, the advanced AI ad generator revolutionizing how we produce high-performing video and image ads. Creatify AI is trusted by over 1 million advertisers and boasts an impressive 4.7 out of 5 rating on G2, highlighting its effectiveness and user satisfaction. The platform has successfully raised $23 million from prominent investors like W&D Co., Kindred Ventures, and NFDG, underscoring its significant industry backing. It has also been featured in leading publications such as Fast Company, Bloomberg, and TechCrunch, solidifying its reputation as a key player in AI-driven advertising. Creatify AI offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to streamline ad creation, testing, and optimization, making it an indispensable tool for modern marketing. One of its standout features is URL to video, which transforms any product link into 5 to 10 ready-to-run UGC-style video ads in mere seconds. This dramatically reduces production time from weeks to minutes, offering unparalleled efficiency for product launches and campaigns. The AI avatar feature provides access to over 1,000 realistic spokespersons, allowing users to choose from pre-made options or create their own AI twin from a photo. You can even design a custom avatar via text prompt or use photo to video to make any photo speak, bringing static images to life. The Bring Your Own Avatar option allows you to record yourself once and generate videos in over 70 languages, preserving your natural gestures and expressions. These avatars can hold products, wear branded clothing, and express over 10,000 emotions, offering incredible versatility for your ad creatives. Creatify's asset generator provides access to over 10 elite AI models for generating both images and videos, including advanced text-to-video capabilities. It supports models like Sora 2, Kling 1.6 Pro, and Veo 3.1 for video generation, alongside powerful text-to-image tools such as DALL-E 3 and GPT Image 1. Users can queue multiple generations simultaneously and batch generate up to 10 images at once, significantly speeding up content creation. The product video feature transforms any product image into studio-quality marketing videos, from dynamic UGC-style showcases to cinematic product shots. This innovation reduces production costs from over $3,000 per video to approximately $1, and production time from weeks to just 2 minutes. You can instantly generate over 50 variants from a single image upload, providing endless possibilities for A/B testing and optimization. Creatify's AI Shorts feature allows you to instantly generate eye-catching AI-powered video ads in over 9 distinct styles from text, all in under 5 minutes. This simplifies video marketing and enables precise niche targeting, ensuring your ads resonate with specific audiences. The batch mode is a game changer, enabling the simultaneous creation of multiple video ad variations, allowing you to test over 10 ad creatives per campaign. This automates the ad creation process, saving significant time and reducing costs, while supporting diverse scripts, visuals, and avatars for testing. For enterprise users, AdMax provides an all-in-one performance suite for creative research, delivery, optimization, and analytics. AdMax helps find top creative trends, generates video variants, and runs structured AI tests to maximize campaign effectiveness. Creatify AI excels in various use cases, starting with user-generated content, where you can create scroll-stopping videos in minutes. Leverage AI avatars, 140+ languages, a music library, built-in editor, and auto captions to export content ready for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. For product videos, generate professional content from images, utilizing built-in recipes for showcases, unboxings, and lifestyle scenes. Features include multiple views, 3D rotation, voiceovers, and text overlays, ensuring your product is presented perfectly. Creatify AI also enables cinematic ads, allowing you to create impossible scenarios that would be prohibitively expensive to film traditionally. Enjoy full creative control, 140+ languages, viral recipes, and platform-ready exports for truly captivating campaigns. For OTT and CTV advertising, produce professional ads in minutes, not months, converting existing vertical videos or creating new ones from product shots. Benefit from faster production, lower costs, brand consistency, AI-powered scripting, and proven templates, with Creatify partnering with Comcast's Universal Ads. Finally, for image ads, generate compelling visuals from text, images, or product links, ready for Meta, TikTok, Amazon, or Shopify. Ensure brand consistency. Bulk create up to 20 ad visuals and conduct campaign-ready photo shoots from a single product shot. Creatify users report significant improvements, including 2.7 times more leads compared to static image ads and a 1.7 times higher ROI. The platform also boasts a 90% lower production cost, making high-quality ad creation accessible to businesses of all sizes. Agencies using Creatify AI have seen a 3 times ROI and a remarkable 97% time saved in their creative processes. API users are generating over 300 videos per month, saving an estimated $20,000, showcasing the power of automation. E-commerce businesses have experienced a 47.6% CTR increase, saved $10,000 per video, and achieved a 50 times production increase. Software development companies are creating over 1,000 creatives per month, leading to a 40% subscription uptake. In advertising, Creatify enables over 300 productions per quarter with just one editor, replacing the need for an entire creative team. Creatify AI offers flexible pricing plans, starting with a free tier that includes 10 credits per month for up to 60-second videos. The starter plan, at $19 per month, billed annually, provides 1,200 credits per year, supporting up to 20 videos per month with 16 plus AI models and 29 languages. The Pro plan, at $49 per month billed annually, offers 2,400 credits per year, enabling 40 to 1,000 videos per month, with 22 plus AI models, including Sora 2 Pro and VO 3.1. Pro users also get 1,000 plus premium avatars, 3 custom avatars, 3 concurrent generations, 10,000 plus B-roll clips, and direct ad launching to Meta and TikTok. For large organizations, the Enterprise plan offers custom pricing, including ad max, bulk creation, custom templates, API access, and dedicated support. Creatify AI is a powerful AI-driven solution for generating diverse and effective marketing content at scale, significantly reducing costs and production times. This video was made using HeyGen. If you'd like to know more, read the full review below. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.